here's Luis and Maldonado Funk, and it is around 7 in the morning on Sunday, and I am in the forest, and I am enjoying from a beautiful moment, listening to the birds and to nature very early in the morning. This is something I really would like to invite all of you to do, to take time to go to the forest, take time to go to nature, and enjoy the sounds, the wave, the wind, the sun, the light, the air in the morning. It's really amazing. And today I want to share with you one more time about the topic of changes in life and how can you overcome changes and obstacles when you are trying to achieve your goals or realize your dreams and vision. In life everything is change, and that shouldn't be bothering you, that things doesn't go in the way you plan or that you expect, that the resources you have or the stability that you were looking for suddenly from one moment to the other one is changing. That shouldn't be a problem for you because life is all about changes that are uncontrollable. So when you experience a situation like that, the best path to go is what we call seeking deeper for purpose and aligning yourself, your heart, with what is really more dear to you internally. And remember that in this pathway of change, the best archetype you can work with is the archetype of the traveler. The traveler is that one that enjoys change. As part of the journey, you experience everything changing from one moment to the other one. Yourself, the places you live, the places you visit, the people. And that attitude, that mindset of a traveler that embraces change in daily life is exactly what we need as a foundation to notice in every moment the opportunities, the gifts, the abundance, the knowledge, the skills, the opportunities to take action and change a situation into what you look for. Nature sometimes give us unplanned paths to walk to achieve our goals or vision. Sometimes our plans are really answered by the universe. Our subconscious mind really realizes what we're looking for, but it's not how our intellect plans that. And there are other pathways that are more efficient and faster, but then you need to let go control. You need to be able to see in the discomfort, in the obstacle, in the barrier, an opportunity for change that you didn't see before, and the foundation for achievement that you didn't see before. If you manage to do so, then I am certain you will be able to see and create the resources, the opportunities, the tools that you need to achieve your goals. If you want to share with me more about your challenges, your obstacles, and tell me what is bothering you today, the changes you are facing today that are difficult for you, the vision you have for the future that you want to realize, your goals, and you would like to learn how to do this shift of mindset, how to go deeper to seek your purpose, please contact me. I will be glad to share with you the tools, the insights, the exercises, and eventually a workshop or a coaching session that can be very much of help to you to accelerate the transition, the shift of mindset, the new skills, the new tools, the experiences, the references, the examples that you need today to achieve your goal faster. And very important, stop complaining, start acting.